yung bathroom. Good. You want some more? Alis na tayo. Oh, okay. Okay, good luck, Han. Mag-go. Is your wallet there? See ya! Good luck! Mag-golf na sila. Ano nga? What are you doing?
I'm on one hand trying to get this bag.
Okay, see ya. Good luck. Dito na sila, oh. Okay. Move, Baba. Wow. Okay, who's next? All right. Go. Wow. Okay, Ivy.
I can jump the ball.
Good job. Dito naman tayo sa playground. Dito silang dalawa, yung dalawang boys, nasa skate park. Si Max at si Zach. Si Ivy naman yung nagtutulak. Kasi yung dalawang lalaki dito na. You alright, Baba? Ay, careful, Max! Max, careful! Balik na kami sa Caravan. Yung dalawang boys, paiwan daw sila dyan sa skate park. And si Holly, what you found, Baba?
3 colors.
And what did you say?
Found this cake is laser squishy.
What?
Found this cake is
Don't jump.
Found this cake is laser squishy.
Louder.
Found the cake is laser squishy.
So, nakakuha siyang $2. Doon sa ano? Doon sa
This is a quick one.
playground. Okay, balik na tayo sa Caravan. Mag-edit ako kasi ilang araw na, tatlong araw na wala, o pa-apat ng araw na walang vlog. Dito na si Saki Boy and si Holly. What are you doing? Hello, Baba, that's not yours. Is it alright to keep?
Found this cake is laser sweeping.
Ba
Zach did. He stole the bouncy ball.
he didn't steal. He found it.
I found the coin.
Yeah, alright. So, that's for keep? What if whoever lose that $2, what if he's crying or she's crying right now because he lost the $2 and you are here happy keeping it? What? Do you think that is right? Huh? I'm just joking, Mama.
Mama,
Mm.
I want a fruit.
Alright.
What are,
Apple?
what are these things?
Ano nga to, guys? Hindi to ano eh. Iba't ano nga to? Anong tawag dito, guys? Ayan siya, oh. Meron tayo nito. Nabili ko to sa Asian store. Just buy it, Baba. There's a seed. It's yum. You don't like it? Ayan, meron ako dyan, oh. Sarap to. What you gonna get, Baba?
Passion fruit?
Okay.
This is for Chris.
For who?
Oh, I catch that.
For who? You're right? You need help?
Okay, no one has that other one. That's the last one.
Baba, no, not that one. That's mine, Baba. Put it back. You get the fruit box?
This is Quinzac.
No, that's my drink, Baba. You had one yesterday.
But then you can share.
Yeah, but not now because I don't feel drinking.
About
Later.
last night.
Anong last night?
I mean, when it's not.
Ano? Tomorrow.
That's when we leave.
Yeah.
Oh, I can have it tomorrow. Okay.
Who's that one? The fruit that's for Kuya Sak? Did Kuya Sak ask you to get him one? Oh, is that a plastic? Is it empty? Oh.
Where do I put this?
Just put it in the sink for now. Yeah. Close the fridge. Make it sure it's shut. Okay.
I'm not doing this because I can't answer.
Ayun yung lasa ng fruit na kinuha niya kanina.
I'm never trying that again.
Why? It's nice.
It's so yuck.
For mom, it's good. Are you gonna finish your fruit box or you just want to share it with Kuya Sak? Okay. Oh, careful. Okay. Ano muna ako, higa muna ako saglit tapos mag-edit ako mamaya. Tingnan si Sol. Try niyang gamitin yung paa niya. Where did you learn that from? Using your foot.
Nothing. Nothing.
Okay. Well, how about your drink, Baba? Get your drink. Bring it
But
there.
I have to let it there. I'm doing my homework.
You're doing your homework? Not now, later.
I want to finish it up, so I can't do it when it's tea. I want to do it. I'll forget it.
No, you won't forget. Gusto niya nang gawin yung kanyang homework. Mamayang gabi pa.
Homework.
I know you do. Gustong-gusto niyang gumawa ng homework. Gustong-gusto niya mag-aral talaga. Film natin sila dyan. Andito sila.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop. I won't slow down.
Hi!
Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't
Video.
stop. It is my
Sarap
time.
ng buhay ng mag-amang to eh. Alright.
Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
Yan yung view nila guys. So,
I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop. I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. And I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I know what it's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing
nag-edit ako, nagpapahinga lang ako doon.
I won't fall down.
Ibababa niya lang ako. Yeah. Working down.
I am on my way. I won't slow down. I am on my way. I won't slow down. I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my
Ayan, may mga magsusurf. Hi. And nandito yung mga bata. Hindi tayo guys nakapag-edit kasi kinuha namin yung mga sinampay and nag-fold, then chika-chika. So, wala tayo ulit na vlog. Then, dyan, tumawag na. Sabi niya mag-ready na raw kami kasi alis tayo, magdi-dinner. Magbo-bowling ata muna, then dinner. So, ilagay ko lang to dito sa kanilang cabinet. Check natin yung kanila. Ayan guys. Diba? Medyo magulo na. Ito kay Holly. Ayan yung brush niya. Silagay ko lang muna ang kanilang mga damit. At saka yung aking PJs. Guys, quick change. Ayan. Ito yung nilabahan namin kanina. And, alis tayo. Punta tayo ng yung bowling siya. Pero yung bowling, makikita nyo lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dun guys. Sa labas kasi siya, yung bowling, di ba, yung sa loob. Di ko talaga alam paano siya explain, guys. Dito kasi, yung mga matatanda, yun yung sports nila. So, ngayon, sabi nila, maglaro daw kami. So, why not? Nandyan lang naman, malapit lang siya. Malapit. Katapat lang ng grocery. What are you looking for, Han? Bumalik kami kasi may naiwan siya. Put the key here, Hana. And your wallet, put it there. Okay. Rinig niyo sila? Ang iingay nila. Ayan, kumakanta na naman sila. Ayan, dami nila. Long balls. Ayun daw ang tawag, guys. Diyan tayo maglalaro. Diyan sa labas na yan. Oh. Okay. Dito na tayo. Slow down. Thanks, Maxi. So, yung tsura niya, guys. Ayan, oh. First time ko itong gagawin. Ayan na yung balls natin, guys.
Yeah, we'll get away from these people. Go over here.
Oh, guys, yeah. Ayan.
How many seats you need?
May quick lesson lang tayo.
A little one, little picture,
Yeah.
or a big picture?
What about, is this little?
Wait, the little.
The little one makes them curve in that way. The big one will curve out.
All right.
Okay, so
Okay.
so
So,
a fade and a draw.
Wait, Zach, listen.
That doesn't look right, Max. That's calm. I'll give me a phone and I'll have a look.
Which one's small? Is
Which
that
one?
one small?
No, it's a yellow.
Ang i-hit natin yung small balls, yung yellow.
This is so heavy. Mom, this is so heavy.
Yeah, careful with your.
Come here, you got to sort out the.
Hoy, come here, teacher, listen.
Come and have a look at our colours.
Just put the thing over here.
Right, we got 4 sheep.
See?
Yep. So you need.
These must be yours then. Are they the same?
Meron din nila for kids. Ayan. Yung,
TJ, you
How
and
many
Zach
poles do you get each?
are on the same.
You get 2 each.
Me and John and 2 kids will play on one side.
No,
Okay.
it's me and Max versus you two.
Look at this.
so si Zach, tsaka si Max kay Jan, at tsaka kay Willow. Sa amin si
Mom.
Holly, Ivy, and TJ. So, good luck. Ayan na. Si Jan ang mauna, tapos ako yata sa grupo namin ang mauna. Okay, good luck. Kita nyo kami.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo kami. Ah!
Forever. Forever.
Ay, malulobat tayo.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything is complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feel just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
You're going the wrong way, TJ.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Oh, I thought we're trying to no one goes.
Forever.
Mom,
Forever.
no one goes that way. You should have gone that way.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay
Oh,
here
hang on.
forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Hit that.
Oh! Good job, Kuya. Mas magaling pa si Kuya sa akin. So, what's next?
Down we go.
Oh, we're going there. So, punta na natin yon. Doon naman tayo mag-hit. Ang hirap nito, guys. Kasi kailangan mong i-hit yung yellow na yan from doon to here. Ang layo kaya. My ball is that one.
No, that's mine.
Ah, where's mine?
Yours is over there somewhere.
Somewhere? Which mine? Ay, sorry. Ah, dito sa akin?
Alright, one to Wilson.
Ah, ito throw daw tong yellow. Baba! Okay. Alright, ako mag-roll nito. Ay! Ay!
Oh,
Huh?
gotta go a bit further, Chona.
Alright. Take 2. Okay, take 2. Dapat daw medyo malayo. Okay. Alright. Alis dyan, Baba. Okay.
I need a ram.
Oh, yeah. Is that alright? No.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. And then, yung maliit na drawing dito, papunta raw tong paganyan ang kanyang pag-aim. Yung malaki, pag ganon. Okay, sana na-gets nyo. Okay, I'm gonna do first. Okay, 1, 2.
Which way do you want to throw it? Want to go that way?
Ooh. Oh! Na, ang layo. Ha? Did you, Sak? Good job, Sak.
Dad said it was too hard.
Yeah, good job. Nahit ni Sak yung yellow from here. Doon sa dulo. Sa akin, ayun yung bola ko. Ang layo sa yellow, oh.
Not that hard.
Oh, 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 oh.
Girl, darling.
I don't
Ako.
know. Get this, right?
No, that's not mine. Okay, ito sa akin. Alright, let's do this. Sana naman, kahit malapit lang sa yellow, okay na ako kahit hindi ko siya ma-hit.
Mom, that's way too short.
Oh!
Go, Ivy.
Narinig niyo siya? Nahit ni Ivy pero napunta naman sa gutter yung yellow. Di ba nahit ni Ivy tapos nahit ni Sak?
No, I hit it. I thought it was good to hit it.
I know, that was I thought as well. Hindi dapat daw i-hit. Dapat yung bola, yung black balls, dapat malapit lang doon sa yellow. Hindi mo kailangan i-hit. Si Sak, kami ni Sak, sobrang happy kasi na-hit niya. Pati kami si Ivy, hindi pala pwedeng i-hit. Dapat lang, malapit lang yung black ball doon sa yellow ball. Ang happy pa. That's it, okay. Balik na naman. Ganun lang, guys. What happened? Ang saya nila. I don't understand it, huh? So you don't have to hit it?
No, it's got to get whoever gets closest, how many's closest.
Oh.
And you can hit theirs out of the way.
Ang i-hit mo, yung kalaban mo, yung bola ng kalaban mo na mapalayo doon sa yellow ball. So, ganun pala ang game na to. Sobrang happy nila. Yes, I hate it. Tapos, hindi pala pwede. O, si Kuya naka-point dito.
What is it? I mean, put it back.
Put it there, Baba. Dito naman tayo sa side, guys.
Oh, you got your big one. So, if you do it this way, aim for like black and then curvy.
Just low, yeah. I don't know.
That's it.
Oh my God, Kuya. Stop, stop. Oh! Okay, Ivy. Napalayo yung bola namin kasi na-hit ni Ivy. Andun na siya sa pinakadulo.
Get your ball moved back over. Hang on, Chona.
Okay.
Move the ball back.
Okay, it's my turn, guys. Oh! I don't know. Wrong way. Is it Johnny Boy?
Angle. Hard on it.
There's no explanations. I've got things I tend to moan. In this time,
Oh, Johnny Boy. Okay. Ito na. Last ko na to.
Who just kicked one over our side?
Wala talagang pag-asa. No? Go, Baba.
Good girl.
Okay. Doon naman tayo sa kabila. So we're gonna pick up our ball. I'm gonna pick up my ball. That's my ball. And that one. Ako yung pinakamalayo. Si Kuya ulit naka-point. And ayun yung score. Tinuruan ako ni Kuya. Ganito raw. Oh, is that one? Is that yours? Oh. Okay. Maging close ka man lang. Up. Yeah. Oh. Yung bola ko, ang layo niya dun sa yellow ball, oh. Tsaka yung isa. Okay. Wow. You're better than me, Holly. Mas magaling pa si Holly sa akin. Good job, Baba. High five. Stop eating your nails. You're better than Mommy, Baba. Oh, si Holly nanalo. 1 point kay Holly and 1 point kay Brody. Okay. Good job, Baba. Sa akin, nandun sa gutter, guys. Talo pa ako ni Holly. Si Holly, ang galing ni Holly. Mas malapit ang bola niya sa mga bola ko dun sa yellow. Tingnan niyo yung sunset, guys. So, ang ganda. Good job, kuya. Wow. Wala guys, sinipon lang ako. Panalo ako, sinipon tayo dito. Malamig na yung hangin. Dinner time na, tapos na. So, pipick upin na yung mga balls. Ilalagay na dun sa top. We're missing one?
We won that one.
Ah, 6. So, nanalo sila.
6-3.
6-3. Oh, kalahat. Si kuya ang naka-score. Tsaka si Holly. Wala akong na-share sa kanilang score. Ayan guys, nagutom na kami. Ayan, roast. May lasagna. Oh my God. Nagutom ako. Ang sarap. Tingnan nyo yung roast pork. May lamb. May lasagna. Lemon lime.
Oh, I'm not even allowed on the concrete over there.
Oh, yeah. So why did you go there? Bawal yung bata sa bar.
Now we're gonna go flags.
Ito na yung dinner natin, guys. Ito yung akin. Mix siya, guys. Roast beef and roast pork with veggies. Si Sak small. Small sa kanya. Ayan, si Sak. Si Holly, tsaka si Kuya Spaghetti.
Spuds and potatoes.
Kain tayo, guys. Gutom na ako. Kasi yung last kain ko ay yung yung brunch na ano ba yun? Bacon na may rice. Yun lang. Merong cracker.
What's that? Beautiful. Not. Don't play with them. Leave them in the bag.
Ang sarap kasi gutom tayo.
No, I'm right. I don't want to try any. Thanks. You're right. You wait it.
Sumak ka?
No.
Wala pa yung kay Jan eh. Ayan na yung kay Kuya. Spaghetti. And Holly. Wow. Do you want me to mix it, Baba? Mix it first, Baba. Wow. Ayan kay Johnny Boy. Schnitzel. What's that, babe? Surf and turf yung topping. Oh, yum. And may cheesy garlic tayo dito. Ang sarap ng kanila. Itong garlic, guys. Cheesy garlic bread.
Why wouldn't you just get them?
Ay, nagreklamo siya dyan kasi yung tail ng prawns nandun pa. Sabi, bakit hindi nila tinanggal na ito? Harap. Tapos na ako, guys. Hindi ko na kaya. Si Kuya ang kumakain nitong pork. Si Jan tapos na rin. Tapos na lahat. Dessert na raw. Mag-sticky date pudding daw sila. Dessert. Gusto ni Holly mag-dessert. Sticky date. Merong si Ben, bumili siya ng ticket. May pa-raffle. Ang mapapanalunan ay karne. Beef. So, tingnan natin.
Did you order one?
Yum! Sticky date! Wow! Masarap! Eto kay Holly. Hati kami ni Holly. Yan kay John. Yeah? Good, Han? Yeah. How about TJ?
Ice cream.
What you got, Kuya? Just ice cream? You don't like sticky date?
Good.
But you like that one better? Oh, so why you get that one? I don't know. Busog na si Sak. Ayan, binigay yan sa akin. Si Holly, kaming dalawa yan. Di ko na kaya. Si Jan, may konting tira. Si Kuya, ongoing pa siya sa ice cream niya. So yeah, busog na lahat. Uwi na tayo. So balik na tayo, guys. Balik na tayo sa Caravan Park. Come on, Sak. No, lollies, come on. Let's go. Ang lamig. Ang lamig.
I'm gonna go have a shower.
Yeah, we're all
Okay,
going.
yeah, okay. I'm going.
Quiet.
I'm going.
Shower.
Going.
It's freezing. Yung boys nauna na. Naliligo na sila. Kami ni Holly. Maliligo na rin kami. And hiniram ko yung udi ni Sak. Ito na yung ating mga kagamitan sa ating
Mom, you got everything. You
pagliligo.
got your pajamas,
Ha?
Mom? You got your pajamas?
I'm just gonna wear my pajamas here, Baba.
Okay.
Or maybe I should, no? Ito. Nalabhan na natin ito. Ayan yung PJs natin ulit. Nalabhan na yan. Get your toothbrush?
Yeah.
Naririnig niyo sila? Nandiyan na sila. Ayan si Holly. Fresh na kami. Yeah. I-blower ko. Guys, wow.
There was a code shock, so we switched it.
Oo, nag-transfer kami kasi yung isa sa una. Sorry.
Stop.
No, not yet. Yung unang pinasukan namin, mainit pa naman. Tapos, wala pang ilang minuto, sobrang lamig na, so nag-transfer kami dito sa kabila. So, i-blower ko lang tong buhok ko, then balik na tayo sa caravan.
Like you.
Ayan, tapos na kayo mag-blower, pero paplansyahin ko pa yung akin. Si Holly, blinower ko rin yung buhok niya.
My hair's a bit strange.
Yes, is that
If
nice?
I hit
Turn around, Baba. Ayan, oh. Sige na, guys. Plansyahin ko na to. Na-blower na natin siya. Ganyan ang itsura niya pag na-blower.
my hair's
Kung gusto ko siyang plansyahin. Plansyahin ko kaya? Pero wag na. Wag na lang, no? Wag na. Tama na to. Okay, punta na tayo sa caravan. Si Jan nakaligo na rin. And si Holly, ayun. Oh, di ba kanina pa niya gustong gawin yung homework niya?
Exactly ready.
Ayan.
What's next?
You done yours?
Yeah, I
Tapos
got
na...
confused.
Why?
Because it says, what date is this? And then a question mark.
+3.
So it's easy. What date is this?
But there was old 12 on there. So we didn't know which.
So now did you get
And I
it?
had a line. No, that's why I quit it and I didn't do it.
Tomorrow. Let me see.
5 + 1
Nagawa niya na yung homework niya pero hindi niya tinapos. Nag-quit daw siya kasi na-confused daw siya. Are you done, Kuya, with yours?
9, 10.
Ha? Yang mga damit dyan, yung mga nakasampay yan sa labas nung nag-swimming sila.
I'm not doing it.
Babe, look at your belly. My God.
Full.
You're full. Oh my God.
2 + 2 equals. That's right.
Very good, Baba. Okay, let's close the vlog.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our vlog. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Good night, Kuya.
8, 9, 10. So
Good night, yeah. Good night, everyone.
yeah.
Good night, guys.
Please give
Me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.